In November 2024, in Broward County, Florida, a simple morning school drive turned into a disturbing encounter between two teenagers and a sheriff's deputy. The brother was driving his younger sister to school when the deputy stepped into the roadway and motioned with vague gestures that could easily be interpreted as, "keep moving." But moments later, the deputy accused the teen of fleeing a traffic stop. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. We break down real police encounters, show you how constitutional rights apply in everyday situations, and help you protect yourself during stops like this.
Car, park! Out of the car, now! Out now! Out now! Face the car!
Call mom.
No, we're calling no one right now.
What? You can call my mom, no? What's going on, sir?
I pulled you over and you took off. I waved you over and you took off.
You didn't.
When a police officer standing in front of you and waves you over, I pointed to the side of the road and you took off.
I thought you were going to the open lane, sir.
No, not open lane.
I didn't know.
I'm pulling you over.
I didn't know.
Take off.
I didn't know,
Why are you coming in here?
I was turning around. I had to turn left to get to school.
Right.
Sir, I didn't know.
Got a wallet?
Yes, it's in my backpack.
Have a seat. You knew better. You knew exactly what I was doing.
No, sir, I did not.
You have a driver's license for him, ma'am?
No, I don't know where it is. Here. It's not. I don't know where it is.
Why would he take off? I waved you over and pointed to the side of the road. Why would he take off? Why would he take off?
My mom wants to talk to you.
Sure. Is this his mom?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Deputy Barry Sheriff's Office. How are you? Good. I pulled your son over and he took off on me. Ma'am, it's not real hard when I step right in front of his car and point to the side of the road. You're not listening to me, ma'am. You are not listening to me. You're not you're. I need his driver's license.
I don't know where it is.
Look at the center console.
I don't know where it is. I don't know if he has a wallet. It's typically in his phone. I don't know where it is.
Okay, set your phone there. We're not doing any phone calls during my traffic stop. It's real simple. A police officer steps in front of your car and points to the side of the road, and you can see there's another car pulled over, correct? Can you see the other car pulled over? Yes.
Yes.
And then when I'm pointing to the side of the road for you, I'm not telling you to go into another lane. I am telling you to pull over. You go to North Broward?
Yes.
Then you should be halfway educated to know that when a police officer is waving you over and stands directly in front of your car and points to the side of the road, and then you start going over and then you take off. And then you pull into somewhere where you don't belong right here either.
Because I had to turn left to turn around because I missed the exit on Lions.
You missed the exit on Lions.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Then you could have did a U-turn right there.
I know. I was trying to.
So, where's your driver's license at?
It's in my wallet in my backpack.
Where's your backpack?
It's in the back left.
What you committed was a felony. His backpack's in the back of the car. You shouldn't be upset. You didn't do anything wrong. Find his backpack, give me his license.
It's right there.
I asked for you to find his backpack and give me his license. You guys go to a very nice school. It's very obvious when a police officer stands in front of your car.
You thought you were telling us to.
No, I'm not telling you to change lanes. As you can see, there was another car already pulled over. If I stand directly into front of your car, and point to the side of the road and start walking to your car as you pass me, that would be an indicator that the police officer is pulling me over.
Sorry.
Go get this one. No. see if she's got a license. Do you have a driver's license? You're the other car, he's doing the same thing. Don't cry, you didn't do nothing wrong.
I know, I just...
Is this your brother?
Yes.
You need to have a serious talk with him how to drive.
There's a message for you.
How old are you? Okay. When I get done with you, you can explain to your mom how an officer stands directly in front of your car and points to the side of the road, and I start walking up to your car after you slow down and pulling over in front of that car, and then you take off. No, you have no common sense then, okay? You have no common sense. A police officer would not stand in front of you and direct you to another lane to drive. It's obvious because the other 5 cars I pulled over and did the same thing. They knew what to do, so we're going to call that common sense. My 16-year-old son who has a learner's permit and my daughter, would they know exactly what I was doing? Corbin. What's your name? Coben? There you go, Coben. Now that I've properly identified you, I can take the handcuffs off. I detained you because you had no driver's license on you. Do you understand? You're going to have a seat in your car. I'm going to write you a citation that's in the road. This is going to be a lesson learned for you, Coben. Arm back. Look at me. It's common sense, Coben. Understand. Come on. Have a seat in your car. You're going to do the ticket. I got your driver's license. You get back.
I'm trying to sit in my driver's seat.
Yeah, have a seat. You're fine. Okay, Coben. Here's your phones back. Here's your license back. Next time a police officer stands directly in front of your car, and points to the side of the road in front of the car that is already pulled over, you should pull over. Not slow down and go to the right and then take off. You understand? Okay. You're getting this traffic citation guide for failure to turn right. The lane you're in is a right turn only. You can't drive up to those poles and stop and then cut in because you disrupt traffic. If you're in the right turn lane, then you got to make the right turn. You understand? Okay, put your seatbelt back on, go to school. Let this be a learning experience. I'm sure I'll get a call from your mom, but the nice thing about what I have is a body camera. It shows you slowly pulling over and then going. I don't know what your thought process was, but it wasn't good. All right, good luck to you.
As the deputy placed the teen in handcuffs, the situation became even more troubling. Instead of calmly explaining the reason for the stop, he insisted that his hand gesture was obvious, repeating it as if trying to reinforce a narrative that didn't match what actually happened. He took the daughter's phone, prevented her from calling their mother, and only after detaining the teen did he begin asking for identification. Moments like these highlight how quickly a routine interaction can shift into a violation of rights. Under the Fourth Amendment, the teen was seized before any lawful basis was established, handcuffed without probable cause, and subjected to an unreasonable escalation during what was clearly a non-criminal misunderstanding. Under the First Amendment, the deputy interfered with the daughter's ability to communicate and effectively blocked her from recording or calling for help, a direct intrusion on protected expressive activity. So the question is, can the parents file a complaint or even a lawsuit against the deputy? Yes, and based on this footage, they would have legitimate grounds to do so. Legally, the family would have solid grounds to challenge this encounter. An unlawful detention, an unreasonable seizure, and interference with communication can form the basis of a civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. At the very least, the deputy's conduct warrants a formal internal complaint. But given the clear constitutional issues captured on video, the case could escalate into a full civil rights lawsuit. Encounters like these remind us why understanding your rights matters, and why recording every police interaction might be the only protection you truly have. So, would you file a complaint against a cop like this? Let me know in the comments below.